Hello, my name is Rob and I'm a consultant at ProValTech. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable access to commands and redirects within a client. This is something that can be helpful when you want to restrict access to a client and only give users certain permissions. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you have access to our content and never miss anything. So in this scenario, first thing we're going to do is open up the control center, which I've obviously done, and then go over to System, and we're going to go to Users and Contacts and User Class Manager. We are going to create a user class for us to use for this demo. So I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to give it a name Demo, just so it's clear. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not going to add any permissions directly to the user class, but that's something you would want to do as well. Once I create it, I'm going to reload the system cache just to make sure it's up to date. Once that has updated, I'm going to go into a client. So open up one of our clients. In the client, I'm going to go over to permissions. And then in this user class box, I'm going to right click so I can select the class I just created. Once I have it here, I'm going to select the class. I'm going to give it the permissions I want. So I can let it do things like read locations, read passwords. I can let it access history. But what I'm going to make sure I do not do is, because I want to restrict access to commands, I'm not going to give this permission to send commands, and I'm not going to give this permission to allow redirect remote control. That will ensure they don't have it. So I can go in here and give this user class a few other permissions. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and save it. And then what will happen is the next time a user with this class logs in, they will get the restricted permissions that I set for them. This is how you can set up a user class and disable access to commands and redirects within Automate. Thank you for watching. We post a new video every week to share knowledge. Let us know what else you would like to see. And if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comments and please also subscribe. Thank you.